Ron Eugene Reynolds Mentorship and Youth Outreach Initiatives. In a society that often measures success through personal achievements and accolades, it is refreshing to encounter individuals whose legacy is defined by their contributions to the growth and development of others. Mentorship is a powerful tool that can guide the youth through the complexities of their personal and professional lives. His approach is rooted in the belief that one-on-one guidance can make a monumental difference in a young person's life, providing them not only with advice but also with the confidence to pursue their ambitions. His mentoring style is characterized by openness and accessibility, encouraging mentees to ask questions, seek guidance, and think critically about their future. Understanding that education is the cornerstone of personal and community development, he has dedicated substantial efforts towards educational outreach. His initiatives often bridge the gap between education and employment, preparing young individuals for the workforce through internships, job shadowing opportunities, and career counseling. Ron Eugene Reynolds' commitment to empowering the next generation is a testament to his vision for a brighter future where every young person has the opportunity to achieve their potential and contribute to society. Through his mentorship and outreach initiatives, Reynolds has touched the lives of countless young individuals, guiding them toward a path of success and fulfillment. His work serves as a model for how dedicated individuals can make a significant impact through active and thoughtful engagement with the youth. As these young individuals grow and succeed, they carry forward the lessons they've learned, spreading the influence of Reynolds' mentorship and continuing the cycle of empowerment for generations to come.